Okay, so for this exercise, I'm going to be doing at the very beginning of the movie, about a minute in, and I'm going to use my mouth to make a whistling noise, and then I'm using a sound from YouTube for monkey sounds, and then I'm also going to use a bowl of water for the sound of like a river or pond or something, and then I'm also going to just like slap or clap my hands for the sound of like a light going off, and then I'm also going to use, I have wind chimes for a scene where snow is falling to revamp what it already sounds like wind chimes there. So, see how this goes. That's it. Yep, that was it.